Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the exposure in a photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Gallery app, or you can open it up in the app screen. Next, open up a picture that you want to change the exposure, and then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Once you are in a photo editor, tap on the tone button at the bottom, and then swipe across and select exposure. It is the plus and minus button. And in here, use the slider bar at the bottom and drag it to the right to increase the exposure, or to decrease the exposure, drag it to the left hand side. And that is how you can increase or decrease the exposure in a photo on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.